We're continuing our discussion on the proximity search feature. So now I'm going to contrast using a proximity search with a map. So I'm going to go back now to this component over here, and you can see that in this particular case, now in the search part we have a map showing up. So let's go back now, and you can see now in this case we've still chosen the same location field to be in our search part, but we've gone and chosen our map properties now, our control type to be a map, and here are our map properties, and we'd like our initial search to say be a radius. So now we'll go ahead now and run this, and you can see how I can do the same search now, but it's more work than it would be using the proximity search feature. So I wanted to find all airports within 50 miles of Denver. So first I need to go and center the map on Denver, so I'll go there and type in Denver, Colorado. So now we've centered it on Denver. Now we can go and set our map radius, and now we've set it to 50 miles of Denver, and then we can go ahead and press the search button. So you can see we get the same result, but it's more work to use the map control than it is to use the proximity search control. So now let's go back to the proximity search over here, and look how you can combine the proximity search with other criteria as well. So let's go now to go back again to working preview, and I'll just type in again Denver, Colorado, and then hit the search, and change this now to going back to say 50 miles, and then hit the search again. So the reason that I'm seeing the search filled in over here is that I turned on show query mode in the show query expression in the debugging section of the dialog, which would be over here. So I go to properties, and then you can see if I go down there I can say show the SQL select statement. So I turned that on just so that you can see what SQL got generated. So Denver, Colorado, change that to 50, and then search. And so now I can see that there are 26 airports within 50 miles of Denver. But now let's say I'd like to only find airports that have an elevation that is less than 5,000 feet. So you can see that I can go here now and I can type less than 5,000 and then hit search. And now I get 3 airports that are less than 5,000. So you can see that the where clause now has both the radius section, the radius clause, and then also the elevation clause over there. So my search criteria can be quite complex. It can include both proximity to a center point and then any other criteria as well. So for example, a typical use case might be you have a list of doctors. For each doctor you have a location field, you also have a speciality field, and now you can go and search, say, for pediatricians within 10 miles of your address, etc. So I hope that you found this useful. It does add a lot of power to your grid searches if you have geography fields enabled. Thanks very much.